Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best Inground Pool Cleaner robots available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Zodiac Pool Cleaner. The new MX6 is a highly efficient pool cleaning robot that features excellent vacuum power and programmed navigation for a comprehensively clean pool without the hassle. It has MX6 boasts an innovative low-flow design so it consumes less energy than any cleaner in its class. That's making it the ideal cleaner for pools with 2-speed or variable speed pumps. The MX6 also incorporates cyclonic suction for powerful vacuuming. Also in an articulating turbine blade for aggressive wall climbing. This swiveling hoses are quick connect style for easy assembly. And a flow regulator controls the water flow so there is nothing to adjust at the skimmer. At number 5 we have DOLPHIN Pool Cleaner. This robot climbs and cleans the walls with ease. It's versatile and works on any pool surface type, gunite, tile, plaster and everything in between. It comes with an average operating cost of 5 cents per hour. You don't have to sacrifice a high energy bill for a clean pool. The quick water release helps keep the Nautilus CC lightweight and easy to remove from the pool. It comes with superior scrubbing and filtering capabilities. You can relax knowing your pool's floor and walls are left exceptionally clean. At number 4 we have Polaris Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Vac-Sweep 360 pressure side pool cleaner works in all in-ground pools. And operates without a separate booster pump for maximum energy efficiency. It features all-wheel drive and advanced cleaning technology that is powered by triple jets. The Polaris 360 easily connects to a dedicated pressure line and sweeps scrubs. Also and vacuums all surfaces of the pool. The pressure cleaner is equipped with a single-chamber filter bag where it captures large debris like leaves and pebbles. Its unique filter bag removes debris before it reaches your pump basket or filter, prolonging the life of your filtration system. At number 3 we have Paxis Pool Cleaner. Paxis cordless automatic pool cleaner is the most innovative pool robot cleaner for max 100 in-ground pools / above ground pools. You can put aside the restraint of the power cord. This cordless pool cleaner robot is equipped with 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which can achieve up to 60 to 90 minutes of work. It can operate without a cable attached to an electrical outlet, allowing greater mobility. It comes with deflector and powerful motor. This automatic pool cleaner comes with a fast moving speed and powerful cleaning ability. Has high frequency fast speed deep cleaning, saving time and effort. It comes with 2 large suction doors, 1 bottom brush. At number 2 we have DOLPHIN Pool Cleaner. This Dolphin intensely scrubs the pool's floor, walls and waterline for you. The quick water release makes it easy to remove from the pool. Don't worry, it only lets the water out and not the stuff trapped in the basket. The Triton PS has superior filtering capabilities. It traps and locks in all sorts of dirt and debris, so your pool is left exceptionally clean. Unlike suction and pressure cleaners, Dolphins are independent cleaning machines that do not rely on your pool pump or filter to get the job done. At number 1 we have Elite Pool Cleaner. The all-new Aquabot Elite PVA comes into the world not so much unveiled as unleashed. It has a sleek, powerful presence of sophisticated design and performance that makes it clear that this is an unmistakable, undisguised leap forward for robotic pool cleaners. It is built-in variable interval timer for consistent hands-off cleaning. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best in-ground pool cleaner robots for your need.